Welcome to the Omega Consulting webinar. Please welcome our founder and CEO, Keenan Thomas.
On behalf of our team, I am delighted to extend a warm welcome to you for our Generative AI and xChat webinar. This event, in collaboration with Stochastic, promises to be an enlightening and engaging experience where we will showcase the transformative power of AI in enhancing customer engagement and retention within the industry. Our partnership with Stochastic has been instrumental in developing cutting-edge solutions that leverage the capabilities of AI to drive meaningful outcomes for businesses. Through a curated selection of live use cases, demos, and models, we aim to demonstrate how AI can revolutionize customer interactions and propel your organization towards greater success. During the webinar, you can expect to gain valuable insights into the latest advancements in AI technology and how they can be effectively harnessed to meet the evolving needs of your customers. Our team of experts will be on hand to guide you through practical examples and case studies that highlight the tangible benefits of incorporating AI-driven solutions into your business strategy. By attending this webinar, you will have the opportunity to witness firsthand the impact that AI can have on customer engagement and retention. From personalized chatbots to predictive analytics, we will showcase a range of tools and techniques that have been proven to drive results and deliver a superior customer experience. We understand the challenges that businesses face in today's competitive landscape, and our goal is to empower you with the knowledge and tools needed to stay ahead of the curve. Whether you are a seasoned industry leader or just beginning to explore the possibilities of AI, this webinar is designed to provide valuable insights and practical takeaways that can be applied to your own organization. I encourage you to come prepared with any questions or specific scenarios that you would like us to address during the webinar. Our team is dedicated to ensuring that you derive maximum value from this experience and leave with a clear understanding of how AI can be leveraged to drive success in your industry. Let's launch into our first session with a virtual presentation from our associate and trainee, followed by a live demonstration by our full stack developers and a surprise announcement toward the conclusion of our webinar.
Welcome to our in-depth exploration of generative AI and xChat, where technological innovation meets the art of human connection. In today's interconnected world, communication isn't just about exchanging words, it's about understanding, empathy, and forging meaningful connections. Generative AI, powered by LLMs like GPTs, transforms interactions with its ability to understand and generate human-like text. GPTs, such as OpenAI's GPT 3.5, excel in generating coherent and contextually relevant responses, revolutionizing customer engagement. However, challenges like hallucinations in AI can occur, where models produce inaccurate or nonsensical content, highlighting ongoing areas of development in AI. Natural language processing, NLP, empowers machines to understand and respond to human language, enabling advanced chatbots and language translation. Transformers, the backbone of modern NLP, enhance AI's ability to handle complex language tasks by capturing intricate patterns and dependencies. Today, we invite you to delve deep into the capabilities of generative AI and xChat, discovering how these technologies are reshaping industries and revolutionizing customer engagement. Imagine a chatbot that anticipates your needs, understands your emotions, and responds in a way that feels natural and empathetic. Explore practical applications of generative AI across industries, from personalized customer interactions to innovative content creation and beyond.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubham Patwal, and I'm working as a virtual associate at Omega Consulting.
Hi, everyone. My name is Ezrael, and I'm a digital marketing analytics intern here at Omega Consulting.
This is the agenda of this webinar. We can see here the points like the introduction and purpose, a comprehensive analysis, maximizing efficiency through the applications designed for use cases, the journey of generative AI, evolution and history, maximizing efficiency with generative AI chatbots in xChat, innovations in RNNs for the generative AI applications.
Okay, so the market value of generative AI today is about $137 billion. There is a compound annual growth rate of about 32.5%, and in less than a decade, the market value is projected to reach about $1.3 trillion.
Oh, in this slide, we can see the generative AI revenue as dollar in billion and trillion. This graph is visualizing the projected growth of generative AI. We can see this chart shows the generative AI market size in US dollar billion, illustrating its projected growth and economic impact over the upcoming years from the 2020 to 2032.
So to give you guys more of a statistical snapshot of generative AI, a recent Deloitte survey of 2,620 different global businesses found that 94% of business leaders view AI as a crucial part of organizational success, which highlights its transformative potential. In another study done by Google, Google analyzed 50 different tech companies, and it showed that 64% of executives actually plan to implement generative AI, which indicate the strong trend towards actually adopting the technology for competitive advantages. And then lastly, the Financial Times study showed that 92% of Fortune 500 companies actually already are utilizing OpenAI technology, which highlights the reliability and the benefits of generative AI solutions.
Oh, we can see the understanding generative AI. Generative AI is a fascinating technology that creates entirely new content, such as text, images, and audio for existing data. This capability significantly boosts creativity across different industries. The different models under generative AI work by learning the patterns and structures for their input training data and then the generating new data with similar characteristics. For instance, imagine a writer using generative AI to overcome writer's block or a musician generate new melodies based on their favorite composers. Generative AI can even be used to create realistic image or videos.
Okay, so there are different types of generative AI models, and they each have specific applications. First, we have generative adversarial networks, or GANs, and they're particularly great for video and image generation. Secondly, we have variational autoencoders, or VAEs, and these are really good for data repair and anomaly detection. Thirdly, we have transformer models, and these are excellent for text generation. And lastly, we have recurrent neural networks, which are well suited for forecasting and speech recognition. And each of these different models have unique strengths that make them suitable for different applications, from generating realistic media content to enhancing data integrity.
Oh, we can see in this slide types of generative AI models, generative adversarial network. Let's look at the generative adversarial network. Consists of two neutral networks, a generator and a discriminator. The generator creates synthesized data starting randomly and learning to produce realistic data over time. The discriminator evaluates this data, determining if it is real or fake and providing feedback to the generator. And these networks compute during training with the generator aiming to fool the discriminator and the discriminator improving its detection skills. And that this dynamic makes gens powerful for the tasks like video and image generation and the producing highly realistic results through continuous improvement.
So variational autoencoders, or VAEs, are generative models that work by encoding and decoding data. They use a probabilistic approach to encoding, which sets them apart from other models. In practice, VAEs generate new data by sampling from a lane space. This lane space represents the compressed version of the input data, capturing its essential features. The strength of VAEs lies in their method, which combines neural networks with variational inference. And this combination allows for VAEs to learn complex data distributions and generate new similar data.
We can see in this slide the transformer models. There are two parts like input embedding and output embedding. Here we can see the input embedding multi-head attention and then goes to add norms, then the feed forward and add norms again. Then it goes to the output embedding like the mask multi-head attention, then the add norms, then goes to multi-head attention, then again add norms again, and that goes to feed forward and again add norms, and then the goes to liner and the soft max. Then output comes probabilities.
So this chart just highlights the growing integration of generative AI across various industries. We can see that banking is leading with a 66% adoption rate, and that's followed by insurance at 62%, and then that's followed by IT software. That sector has a 57% adoption rate. And this data demonstrates how generative AI is becoming a crucial component across different fields, from banking and insurance to media and communications. And this technology, the ability from this technology enhances efficiency, improves decision making, and just fosters innovation.
Generative AI is transforming the world of special effects and computer-generated imagery. By creating realistic characters, environments, and scenes, it brings imagination to life. Generative AI enhances visual storytelling, making the impossible possible. Discover the future of image generation with generative AI.
So another really important application of generative AI is anomaly detection. Anomaly detection identifies deviations from normal patterns in the data, highlighting potential issues, security breaches, or even opportunities. For example, in cybersecurity, it detects unusual network activity, preventing breaches. In manufacturing, it anticipates equipment failure, so it avoids costly breakdowns. In finance, it spots irregular transactions that show fraud. So early anomaly recognition enables proactive responses and improves security and operational outcomes.
We can see in this slide additional applications for generative AI, efficient data encoding. Generative AI can significantly reduce storage requirements and improve transmission speed for various data types, and including text and images. This technology enhances data encoding efficiency, speeding up transmission without compromising data integrity. And effective encoding ensures data remains intact during the storage and transmission, crucial for maintaining quality and reliability. By leveraging generative AI for efficient data coding, and businesses can optimize data management and reduce storage cost and enhance overall operational efficiency.
So as I mentioned earlier, different generative AI models excel at various jobs. In text generation, AI can craft coherent content from language modeling to captivating stories. With image generation, you can create new visuals or transform existing ones with style transfers. Audio generation, you can synthesize natural sounding speech and organic music or original music. My apologies. With video generation, you can produce realistic video content and animations. And then lastly, with data augmentation, you can enhance training data sets for machine learning models.
We can see in this slide the maximizing investment in AI strategy across areas. So this chart emphasizes the importance of maximizing AI strategy investment. Like the key areas include the data management 69%, ensures efficient and secure data handling. Cybersecurity 69%, protect data and systems. And the cloud consumption 62%, supports scalable AI deployments. And the traditional AI and machine learning capabilities 55%, fundamental for advanced applications. And the communication network 45%, enables seamless AI integration. And the hardware 40%, supports AI computational demands. So we can see here the maximizing investment in AI strategy across various areas is crucial for the organizations aiming to leverage AI's transformative potential efficiency.
So generative AI can enhance the healthcare sector by transforming drug development and automating administrative tasks. It optimizes drug development by potentially saving $28 billion, and that was mentioned by a report done by McKinsey and Company. And this is done through accelerating molecule discovery through virtual simulations. This innovation speeds up new treatments and improves side effects, predictions for safer outcomes. Additionally, generative AI automates tasks like data entry and scheduling using machine learning to streamline workflows and reduce errors. And this shift addresses the 60% physician burnout that was reported by the Physician Foundation in 2023, which just basically allows for more focused, personalized patient care.
We can see here the unlocking efficiency generative AI use cases for financial. So financial sector operations generative AI automates tasks, enhancing efficiency, financial report generation. AI quickly generates accurate financial reports and reducing errors. And the fraud detection, AI detects anomalies, enhancing fraud prevention. And Predictive modeling, AI improves forecast, aiding decision making. And McKinsey and the company expect generative AI to add 200 to 340 billion in banking sector values, boosting productivity. And Gartner's 2023 report shows 70% of financial leaders favor AI benefits over risk.
So some of the use cases of generative AI within NLPs and chatbots include text generation, dialogue systems, translations, content personalization, emotion analysis, and data augmentation.
Okay, the integration of generative AI organizational use cases. So these slides showcase the extent of generative AI integration into various organizational use cases, highlighting its growing role to enhance businesses, operations, and decision making. Uh, the chart provides a visual representation of how generative AI is being utilized across different areas within organizations. It emphasizes the widespread adoption of AI technologies to improve efficiency, drive innovation, and support strategic decision making. And as generative AI continues to evolve its integration into business processes, will likely expand, offering even more opportunities for organizations to leverage its capabilities for competitive advantages.
So the history of generative AI and xChat. So in the 1950s and 1960s, the early foundations of AI marked the beginning of significant developments. In the 1970s to 1980s, rule-based and symbolic AI advanced through expert systems and symbolic reasoning. In the 1990s, the introduction to machine learning shifted focus to machine learning techniques. In the 2000s, that was the birth of generative models like the restricted Boltzmann machine which advanced unsupervised learning. In the 2010s, the deep learning era introduced generative adversarial networks, as GANs, as we mentioned earlier, and advanced neural network architectures. In 2017, that was the rise of transformer models, which revolutionized natural language processing with the implementation of BERT and GBT. In the late 2010s to early 2020s, evolution of generative AI saw advancements with models like GPT-2 and GPT-3 in NLPs. And then in 2020, xChat development integrated advanced AI for context-aware, real-time conversation, which enhance user interactions.
We can see in this slide elements that can be analyzed on xChat. Here are some of the elements that can be analyzed on xChat. On the activity over time, 41%, user participation 34%, word frequency 42%, network analysis 47%, emotional analysis 22%, and topic modeling 28%, and channel growth 31%. This chart shows the percentage of sectors that can be analyzed on xChat and their preference ratios, highlighting the coverage extent and user demand for each sector.
So AI-powered chatbots offer significant, advantages from, optimizing customer service by efficiently handling a large volume of questions with quick and accurate responses. They streamline operations by automating tasks, freeing human agents from more complex issues. These chatbots personalize customer interactions by analyzing preferences, enhancing satisfaction, and because they're available 24/7, this ensures continuous support, unlike human agents that are, that have limited hours. And according to a 2023 study done by HubSpot, AI-powered chatbots actually save customer service professionals an estimated 2 hours daily, which allows them to be more productive and efficient with more, tasks that require them to be, interacting with people one-on-one.
Okay, enhancing operational efficiency with AI chatbots, xChat. So let's explore how AI xChat and AI chatbots by Stochastic enhances efficiency. xChat offers AI-powered chatbots for human-like service and virtual assistants, and these integrate with Gmail, Google Drive, and Salesforce, boosting productivity by offering human-centric support. xChat frees agents for complex tasks and efficiency and operational effectiveness.
So an example of a company that really utilizes AI-powered chatbots is Bank of America. Erica, which was launched in 2018, is an AI virtual assistant. Erica assists with account management, financial insights, customer support. And since the creation of Erica, the system has managed over 2 billion interactions with over 98% of clients receiving answers within 44 seconds on average to the questions that they have. And this kind of just highlights Erica's role in improving customer service and operational efficiency.
You can see here RNS processing sequence, attention mechanism, like the focus on relevant parts of input sequences, and significantly improve tasks like translation and text generation. And reactional RNNs process data in both forward and backward directions, enhance context understanding and performance. And then the transfer learning leverage pre-trained models for various tasks, reduce training time and computational resources. And sequence to sequence model encode input sequences and decode into output sequences, widely used in mixed machine translation and text summarizations. GRU, gated recurrent unit, simplified architecture for faster training, comparable performance to LSTMS in many applications, optimization techniques like advanced algorithms like gradient clipping and batch normalization, improve training, stability, and model generation.
So to conclude everything, generative AI has revolutionized communications. Platforms like xChat enable natural and engaging interactions. It has enhanced the user experience by transforming customer service. It sets new standards, and it's going to continue to evolve in the future with the integration of, for instance, like xChat that promises, continued innovation and efficiency.
Thank you.
Hello and welcome. I am Dipanshi Garg, a full stack developer intern at Omega Consulting. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of xChat. We will explore how these innovative tools can transform user interactions and provide seamless support on your website. Let's get started. This is our official website of Omega Helix, and here is our xChat. What exactly is xChat do? Omega has xChat, which is an automated tool designed to interact with users in a real time through a website or app. It can answer questions, provide information, and even perform tasks. Let's look at some of the key benefits of xChat. xChat offers a range of benefits which include 24/7 availability, instant responses, consistent information, and increased engagement. Let's see some examples of how our xChat can assist users. Here's a message: hello there, how can I help you today? When you first interact with the chatbot, you will receive a warm greeting. This sets the stage for a productive conversations and lets you know that help is available. By clicking the queries, you can get your answers. So here, click on what services does Omega Helix provide. If a user wants to know more about Omega Helix offers, the chatbot can provide detailed information about services of Omega. Here is a closer look at each services entails. Omega Helix provide innovative AI technology solutions to help businesses transform digitally. If you find this information useful, you can let us know with a thumbs up. Let's move to the another question. Share some ways Omega Helix has made an impact. When you click on this question, if a user are curious about Omega Helix impact, the chatbot can share information about that. Here is a closer look at what impact does Omega has made. And if you find this information useful, you can let us know with a thumbs up or thumbs down. You can ask your personalized questions like who is the CEO of Omega Helix by typing here. President and CEO of Omega Helix is Kenan Thomas. So, one of the standout features of our chatbot is the ability to answer personalized questions. For example, you can ask about our CEO or get information about various aspects of our company. Omega chatbot have made a significant impact in various ways. For example, they have improved customer service efficiencies, increased user satisfaction, and help business reach their goal more effectively. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Abhishek Bharti, a full stack developer at Omega Consulting. Today, I'll show you how to embed the stochastic chatbot into your website and demonstrate how it works. The stochastic chatbot is an AI-powered chatbot that you can easily integrate into your website. When you sign up for the stochastic chatbot, you'll receive an email with a code snippet that looks like this. The code snippet includes two script tags, one for setting the embedded URL for your chatbot and another for loading the chatbot library. Now let's switch to our code editor and see how to implement this code into a basic HTML file. Here I have a basic HTML file set up. To embed the chatbot, we need to add the provided code snippet within the head section of our HTML file. As you can see, I have pasted the code snippet within the head section of the HTML file. This will embed the stochastic chatbot on our website. Let's open this HTML file in a web browser to see the stochastic chatbot in action. Here, you can see the stochastic chatbot is now embedded and ready to interact on our website. And that's how you can easily embed the stochastic chatbot into your website.
Discover cutting-edge insights, innovative applications, strategic implementations, and market trends. Omega Consulting presents the Gen AI Report, coming soon. Stay tuned. Visit our website and follow us on social media for updates.